Okay, students, it's time to practice our underhand throw. While we're at home, you will need 2 sock balls and you will need a target that you will be underhand throwing toward. The teacher will demonstrate how to properly underhand throw. Use your dominant hand when performing an underhand throw. Face your target and don't forget that your arm should be moving in a tick-tock motion. This is a side view of an underhand throw. Tick, arm goes back, tock, arm swings forward. Okay, students, now it's time that we practice our underhand throw. You should have 1 big target and 2 sock balls ready. Let's do it. Okay, students, our practice round is going to be called Big Target. And during this practice round, you will be using 2 sock balls and a big target of your choice to practice your underhand throwing. The teacher has the sock balls ready. The teacher has chosen a beach towel as his target. Lower grade students and beginners, you are going to be practicing your underhand throw 5 feet away from your big target. Upper grade students and my expert underhand throwers, you are going to be practicing from 10 feet away from your big target. The teacher will be underhand throwing 1 sock ball at a time, and you are going to practice for 10 consecutive throws. Once you have completed 10 practice underhand throws, you may move on to the rest of our activities that are a part of this week's lesson. It's now time for you to complete 10 practice underhand throws. How many times can you get the sock ball on target?